Sometimes you just can't win, folks. It just ain't gonna. The game won't let you win. Golly, hey, the RE20, that's my baby. 2-week-old computer, brand new out the box, because you got to get everybody else stuff out first before you do your own. 2-week-old damn computer, and damn storage drive go out. Brand new 16 terabyte drive, and my stuff is on there. My cat, the pictures and the little clips, and oh my god, and all the little stuff is on there. And I took another one, just plugged it in, make sure it wasn't the wire. Disk spin up. Damn, disk is dead, brand new. So now I gotta go to my NAS drive and download all the stuff from the NAS into another drive just so I can finish making a goddamn video.